Good morning, students. I am Professor Babita Saxena in SIRT College, and today's my topic is important questions according to the RGPV paper of the control system subject. This is the subject of EX branch of the 4th semester, but it's also common in the EC branch also. The syllabus is 90% is same in the both the branches, EX and EC. So first of all, I would tell you about the unit 1. Unit 1 is the 50% numerical and 50% derivation. So block diagram is numerical, signal flow is numerical, Mason's gain formula numerical and theory both, modeling of dynamic system is numerical and theory both. Short note, only the theory part is the short note on the components of control system. So in this theory part, you have to write diagram, graph and transfer function. Short note, open lane and closed loop system is also the one of the topic of unit 1. Rational and linear mechanical modeling, Mason's gain formula, error detectors. Especially error detectors are very important. So you should listen carefully and learn carefully error detectors. In the unit 2, the 90% is the derivation and the formula. So learn about the time response of first order, second order system for the 3 input, impulse, ramp and the step. Time domain performance specification जैसे कि peak time, maximum overshoot, then error constant जैसे position, velocity and acceleration constant, and the effect of zeta है ना on the system speed, damping ratio. Short note, only the short note topic from the unit 2 is the test signal and the feedback control action. Unit 3 is the numerical Routh-Hurwitz criteria. It is very easy, and the root locus. There is a 2 topic, Routh-Hurwitz and the root locus. So you should learn carefully about the Routh-Hurwitz. It's very easy topic, so please don't miss this unit. Please prepare thoroughly this unit. Unit 3, the only short topic is the gain margin, phase margin and the polar plot. Unit 4 is also the numerical. In this unit, Bode plot, polar plot, Nyquist is very important. Stability, relative stability, gain and phase margin again. Unit 4 is the short note. Unit 5 is the theory. In this theory, you have to learn circuit diagram, comparison, effect of PD, PI, PID controller, lag leak and lag late compensation. So unit 5 is totally theory portion, short note, and the big question is also can come from this unit. Thank you.